making my way through the hood, and there seems to be no signs of intelligent life anywhere. I gotta be honest, I'm not inspired to make this at all. I've had less than 8 hours of sleep over the past 3 days. But you know, it's gonna happen. Just like Kobe Bryant and something else, you know, it's gonna happen. So, my Uber driver today was actually apparently, so he claims, a Mujahideen commander for 3 years. Between the years of 1979 and 1982, I believe he said. And very interesting fellow. He did not support the Russians at the time, and you know, now he's an American citizen and he supports America, but at the same time he doesn't support what America's doing there, and he doesn't really support anyone over there. But at the same time, it's just kind of like, you know, I mean, come on, you know, I mean, he got sent back over here for treatment for something. So I mean, this guy, you know, I mean, what a guy, you know. Praise Fortuna for blue triangles. Just to clarify, this is one of the whitest things I have ever done. Just, you know, to clarify. Like, you know, okay, you know, like, where am I gonna go, you know? You got, if I could switch this camera. You can't switch it, unfortunately, but, you know, you got this way. You got that way. Still have only seen white people. You know, I don't know the population here, but you know, maybe it'll stand the test. Who knows? Blue triangles. Blue triangle. Blue triangle. Guess what? Blue triangle. Find blue triangles, and all you know, and just enjoy the serenity. But all you hear is just a bunch of, you know, lawn equipment. Just fantastic. Fantastic. Nobody cares, you're not that important. Also, clearly, Squatch territory marking right there, you know. Finding Bigfoot, Animal Planet. So, like, look what's happening to us, you know. Where our society is, you know. Like, this is the real world. You know, look what's happening to our boys and our girls. You know, this is the real world. It's actually really peaceful out here. There's a lot of insects though. Thanks for all the blue triangles. I don't know what I would have done without them. You remember Tony Robbins? Because I remember Tony Robbins. I don't know who Tony Robbins is. I will say that this is definitely much better than walking in the city. Just saying. So lovely. It's trying to be cute. Double trouble. Look at all this timber, you know, this is where America's industry has gone to. All this timber out here, doing nothing with it. I actually didn't think that last one could be beat. Shin splints, here I come. Guys, it's me, Nigel Thornberry. I've just discovered this new interesting species. As you can see, here's this kind of caterpillar thing. It's quite green, quite vibrant, right? It's very big, sluggish, you know. Don't know what it's doing here on this trail. You know, it's probably picking up some pheromones from somewhere or another. You know, it's probably blind as a bat. But, you know, as we can see, going off in that direction, you got more woods. You know, from where it came, more woods. So, what's it doing here? I don't know. But we'll find out next time on Man vs. Arnold. Cringe! Oh my gosh, it's a bird. They always run away every time I try to film. I'm going 1, 2, 3, Peter Pan on my knee. I'm ready to pee. Going 1, 2, 3, Cinderella's in the field. I'm coming in feels. I don't know. Thanks, you two. I knew I could count on you. I feel like that's just not right. Like, I just don't like it. It's different. I don't like it. Look, it's moss. You hear that? It's the wind. Oh my gosh, something's happening. It's SpongeBob's best day ever. Literally, first thing that came to my mind, I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. Hey, I'll see you later, alright? Keep it real, alright? Keep it cool. Stay classy. Every time. I think I've gotten enough footage of these, but blue triangle. Streams, rivers, and dreams. This is actually nice, this part. It's like the softest the ground's ever been consistently. It's actually nice. Video game shortcut or bridge to Terabithia? You decide. I'm lost. So overall, I'd give the experience a 9 out of 11. Things I could have made it better. A lack of variety in the triangle colors. I think that probably would have boosted the numbers up just a bit. But yeah, other than that, pretty good overall. It's a lot of white people jogging, you know. If you ever seen the Boondocks, then you know where I'm going with that. But if you haven't, oh well. Don't forget about triangle diversity. Triangle lives matters too. We got what we needed. This place is tapped. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, not North Carolina. Take me home. I have to wait till then.